Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to take Coenzyme Q10. Begin with 100 mg to 200 mg daily with a meal that contains fat for better absorption, and consider splitting doses morning and evening if you tolerate it well. Consistency matters, so take it at the same time each day and watch for interactions with blood thinners. If you have specific medical conditions, consult your clinician for personalized guidance. Many people ask whether ubiquinone or ubiquinol is better. Both work, but ubiquinol may absorb faster for older adults or those with absorption issues. Look for formulations that list oil, soft gel, or micellized delivery to boost uptake, and pair doses with food containing healthy fats like olive oil or avocado. If you need higher blood levels, your provider may recommend a higher dose or the ubiquinol form for more efficient. Aim to take Coenzyme Q10 with a main meal, typically breakfast or lunch, to reduce any chance of sleep disruption and to aid absorption. Be mindful of interactions, especially with blood thinners and some diabetes drugs, and report new symptoms to your clinician. If you miss a dose, take it when you remember but do not double up, and keep a simple routine to maintain consistent daily levels for best results.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.